Welcome back channel. Today we are going to be assembling this Subaru Forester motor. All cleaned up, ready to go back together. We're going to start off by putting the water pump on with these 6 bolts. Now that the water pump is on, I'm going to turn it over and do the passenger side head, and I'm going to throw that on, torque the head bolts down to 80, and then you start from the center and you work your way out. Okay, once you get the head put on and torqued down, you go ahead and put your cams on and make sure you got all these facing towards the front. And then you're going to torque these down to 18. I also put oil in between each cam cap. Then also you want to put RTV. Once you got your head bolted on, torqued down, you can go ahead and throw your valve cover on. The back of the timing belt cover's on. I put the oil dipstick in, cam pulleys on, and the timing pulleys. So once you get all the pulleys on, you are ready to time it. Make sure you got your main crank lined up. And then you're gonna basically go on the cams. You're gonna go off this mark off the timing. This one's gonna be off the top timing mark right there. And then these two, basically the same thing. One off the top, one off the side. So once you got it on time, make sure all your marks are on before you pull the pin out over here. This way the testers do a couple rotations in the motor. Once you got it all timed, you go ahead and put the front timing covers back on. Once you get the timing cover back on, good to put on the AC compressor and then the intake manifold. When you're doing the intake manifold, make sure you get the plugs back here and the hose. Once you got the intake manifold on, you're going to torque down all these bolts, holding it down to 25, and then you can throw on the alternator and power steering. Don't forget this one line that runs here to here, which is this hard line, and then you are good to move on and do the alternator once you get the power steering pump on. Once you got it all put together, and that's how you assemble the Subaru Forester motor. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.